Out here, we are reading a hand of a lady who is aged 42, and I'll try to tell whatever I see on her hand. She is in major financial crisis. She had a support from somebody, but now it is no longer. She is expecting that the support is going to be no longer with her in time to come. So she's not able to sleep, and she has this anxiety issues and all the trouble. So before I start my video, I would request you to press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update. You can call me for a paid palmistry reading, or you can email me. This email and my number is mentioned on the screen. Now we straight away head to this particular hand image. The quality of the hand, the left hand, is excellent. The reason why I say it is basically excellent is because it has got, generally it has got less lines over it. Lesser lines is generally considered to be a better sign, because then the person is not wasting their energies, because this is basically the area of Venus is basically the area of our energy. So the person has got less lines over the area of Venus and less line over the area of Mars. Mars is basically, this particular Mars negative is basically the area for our aggression and fire. So if these two areas are strong, then basically the chances are that the person is going to fight it out, and the person would be having good health, and that is the reason why the person would be able to fight it out. The other good aspects of this particular palm are that there are perpendicular lines just under the finger of Mercury. This is the area of Mercury, and it has got perpendicular lines over it. Perpendicular lines and strong lines, mind you, they should be strong. They should not be very weak kind of lines. Some people have got very weak kind of lines. Those weak kind of lines have got basically no meaning, because weak lines means that the person has not sharpened their skills. But a person who has got sharp skills, as you see in this particular hand, it signifies that the person is good at calculation and good at communication. So the person would be of some use or the other, and the person would be able to come out of the problem. See, coming out of the problem, a person can come out only from problem if somebody has got content, any content, a small content, however small it can be. It can be carpentry, it can be just stitching, it can be just cooking, anything basically. These people do not know their potential until and unless they come under some stress or some problem. So once they are under stress and problem, the best basically would come out from their life. So this is, they do not need to worry about the headline. The headline and the heartline are balanced. If they are balanced, the person is able to take mental pressures as well as emotional pressures. And some people, what they have is that they have got a wavy kind of a heartline or a wavy kind of a headline. Then basically the problems can be seen. And if we have to look on the headline for any problem, so this is the earlier period of the headline and the intersection of the money line. So this portion of the headline is before the age of 35, and this portion is after the age of 35. So after the age of 35, this portion, we do not see any negative signs on the headline. So it's not just on the money line that we have to see problems. Money line problems of financial nature can also be seen on the headline, because if there is mental stress, then basically what would happen, or if there's a mental breakdown, then everything basically, even if a person has got a beautiful money line, even that money line is not going to play anything for him. It is not going to benefit him even after having the best of lines. So it's a balance of lines. Each and every line basically combine and give good result. The person also has got these upward backward lines on the mount of Jupiter. These are perfect. It means and it's originating from the lifeline. It means that the life is going to get guided by Jupiter. Jupiter is a big planet. It means growth, expansion in one's life, ambition in one's life, and those things would be achievable in her case. So it is possible, and that nobody is going to be able to pull her down. The person who might have left, even that person it would be his folly that he left her. So like the bad times would be coming for that particular person if they don't take care of her, or there's some, if they do not support her, because it is the fate. Her hand is good, so it might be supporting her partner in some good way. But now that support has gone, the support has gone from the other end. So even probably that those benefits that could have come to that particular person might not come now. Now we look at the sun line. The sun line in the initial phases, it's not so good. It's a hazy kind. Although this line, we can't say if this is the Mercury line or the sun line. But let us assume that this portion of the line is the line of sun line. So the point, I would just point out the age. This is the headline. This is the heart line. And if there was a line coming from this end to this end, from earlier period, this portion is before the age of 35. The intersection of the head and the sun line is age 35. Intersection of sun line and the heart line is age 53. This is just for representational purpose. So on the heart line, the age is 53, and on the line of head, it's 35. So somewhere in the middle, you would notice that the sun line is developing, and it is developing. So somewhere in the middle is 35 plus 53 divided by 2 comes to 44. So somewhere around the age of 44, a new sun line develops, and it is developing from the area of Mars positive. Mars positive, it's just the name. Mars positive is the area of coolness and calmness and tenacity. It means in spite of opposition, the person is going to stick around and would be able to win. This is one part. The second part is that the sun line that we see out here is fantastic. Although the age, I would say, is after the age of the, beyond the heart line and between the fingers is age after the age of 53. So it basically means that after the age of 53, most social like expansion is going to take place. This expansion can take place for various reasons. It could be the children that give the expansion, or her own work that is likely to give expansion, or the work she might do. So, and it's not that suddenly everything basically becomes better. It is basically the person might be doing something, and that is going to shine after the age of 53. But in my real case scenario, when I find such a strong sun line, I would say that it is for whole life and not necessarily only after the age of 53. Now I basically move on to the right hand. In the right hand too, in the left hand, I will just add one more thing, that if I zoom in, and on the intersection of the head and the money, this is the money, and the headline is age 35. So at this particular age, you would notice that the money line is broken. It's breaking somewhere at the age of 34, 35. That's the approximate age. So some major trouble could have come about in her case. Now we move on to, and towards the end of her headline, you would notice an upward kind of a line. Upward lines are always considered to be good. Moving towards the finger, those are good. If there was a movement, downward movements, which is happening before the age of 35, somewhere at the age of 30 or around on the headline, that's a negative sign. It means disappointment. And upward line after the age of 53, it means some gains, something good happening in the person's life. So now we move on to the right hand. And on the right hand, what we notice is that that the lifeline is present. Apart from the lifeline, there's another supporting lifeline that is present. See, the supporting lifeline has got its importance, and the meaning for supporting lifeline means that someone is going to be there for her. And if this is running for a long period, and almost it's running beyond, like till the age of at least 75, so some kind of a support is going to remain with her. But this particular line that I have spoken about, the supporting lifeline, or another name is Mars line or guardian angel line, this line is basically the line it is guarding the person. It is like a armor around this particular person, this particular lady, and it is kind of the fire within her. Fire means the spark within her. Let's assume that life stops out here, the support vanishes, but because she has the spark, because she has the fire, she would be able to refire her life, refire her life. Like sometimes what happens, this is the area inside the lifeline, this is the area of Mars, and this is the area of Venus. So Venus is all the fuel, the butter, the ghee, the petrol, the diesel. The Venus is all that, and Mars is basically the fire. And because the line of from the line area of Mount of Mars, a line is starting, so this is called the Mars line. So it means that like imagine this is our body is our engine, so this is lifeline is basically the engine. So if a person has got double lifeline, it means supporting lifeline, it means that the spark plug within the car is never going to go bad. So the person would be able to always re-spark their car and use their car for their benefit. So this is a beautiful aspect. Another aspect is that long Mercury line and the money line and the headline, this formation becomes the money triangle, and the origination of money triangle is somewhere at an early period, probably somewhere around the age of 25, 26. So benefits would have come to her, money would have come to her, and in the right hand too, we find a strong sun line and a Mercury line. So people who have a strong sun line and a Mercury line, they would remain productive even at any given moment of time. In her right hand too, we would notice that the money line is kind of coming to an end on the headline, and another one is starting parallel somewhere around the age of approximately 33 or so. It's starting, and that is basically taking over. So changeover before the age of 35. On the headline, you would notice that there's an upward kind of a line towards the amount of Mercury. So skills and some gains coming to her. So that's it for this particular reading. Basically, the problems she's going to be facing, she would be able to overcome because of three particular lines. One is on the headline, upward line. Second is perpendicular line on the mount of Mercury, perpendicular line and strong line over the mount of Mercury and Sun, and the supporting lifeline. So all these lines are good. The person shouldn't basically worry about anything. Before I end my video, I basically repeat a few things in all my videos. People want to know about money, possessions and wealth. Importance of money line in terms of how much money we'll be having is just 15%. It's nothing more. We can come to know about money from almost all aspects of our palm and almost all lines and areas. It could be heart line, headline, sun line, Mercury, Venus, Mars, or any other line. A saint once said, you do not need to go to an astrologer or a palmist to know about your future, because you already know your future. Present is a result of past. How will be my future? Future depends upon what you're doing in the present. What are we? We are product of our thoughts. So the thoughts that come to our mind are really important. Keep good company, because that is what matters. And if you are going in the wrong direction, your good company is going to stop you from going in the wrong direction and is going to support you also. So in Hindi we say satsang, keep good company. Thanks, bye, and take care.